Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. What's going on? How did you like what the spy did? If only there was a guy on YouTube that said that what happened yesterday would happen exactly as it happened, and you just so happen to subscribe to his channel. Guys, how long? For days, if not a couple weeks now, haven't I been saying that what happened yesterday would happen? I said we would go test the 430s, 425 to 430s. If the Fed came out and said, hey guys, yeah, we're going to raise 50 basis points, start doing balance runoff sheet, all that good stuff, right? That's exactly what I said. That's exactly what I said would happen. And what did I tell you yesterday? I said yesterday, I'll be looking for calls in the afternoon. I said, I'll be looking for maybe some day, some intraday morning action. And we did. We nailed puts on AMD straight off the watch list, mind you. Remember yesterday I said $99 resistance, $100 resistance, $91, $92 support. Remember that yesterday? We're going to go look at AMD. Did exactly that. We nailed puts on it in the morning. And then I said after the Fed meeting, when Jerome Powell comes out, talks, SPY calls. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Well, based off that, what we're doing is we have a Cinco de Mayo special going on for DTC Lite and DTC Pro. You can get it right here. Click that link. You're going to get, I think it's 20% off DTC Lite and $75 off DTC Pro. So make sure to take advantage of that, guys. All right. Make sure to take advantage of that. What I'm going to do is I have a video up on YouTube here with the AMD trade. So I'm going to grab that link and give it to you so you can go watch it. Let's see here. So here it is. This link right here will take you to yesterday's recap along with a lesson on how to day trade bear flags. And how to trade bear flags. All right. So you have that. And then what I'm going to show you is, real quick, we're going to go over to yesterday's watch list. Here at the DTC, you see yesterday, Wednesday, the watch list, AMD, $100 area, hold resistance, could have room back down to 91 zone. All right. And then if you come over to AMD yesterday, what did we do? 99 resistance, 91 and change support zone. Boom. We nailed that one with puts in the morning. It recovered along with the rest of the market, obviously. SPY went insane. So we got that. Joey says, my wife loves me again. $417 calls. She wants a new car. My best day in 2 years. Wow. Nice, man. Congratulations. Nice. Yeah, I haven't done a video on it because I had already uploaded yesterday's AMD video. But yesterday, I caught calls. I traded calls twice. I traded calls in here. I traded calls in there. Was it in there? Yeah, it definitely wasn't there. So I traded calls in there. All right. I took a starter here, and then I added to max full size right there. And then I started taking profits off in there. Let me get rid of this big circle. And then I stopped out the rest in here. That's exactly when Jerome Powell came out to talk. Actually, I traded calls. Yeah, I traded calls 3 times. So I stopped out the rest right there. So entry, add, take, monster take. That was up over $1 a contract already. And then stopped out. And then Jerome Powell said soft landing, and the market loved it. Got back in long, took profits. That was a smaller position. Then I looked for the swing trade, and I caught this pullback right here into 425 and got flat. I got flat up there because my target, it was supposed to be a swing trade, and I only had small size. I only had 20% of what I wanted. I wanted to size into it, thinking we were going to pull back a little bit deeper, maybe do a little U shape, but we didn't. So I only got 20% of my desired size, which sucks because this is a monster. And I got long here, and I said my target is an overnight swing trade to 430. Well, we got to 430. We got to 429.66, so I took them all off right there. And I mean, just between all the trades combined, it was just a banger day, man. Banger day. But we said this would happen. We said this would happen. All right, guys. So I'm going to do something here today. I'm going to do a raffle in here live on the stream. But in order to participate, you have to chat. So you have to obviously comment in the chat room section, in the chat section there, here on the live stream. So when I see a name pop up there, I'm going to put it into the wheel of names. So far, Joey's the only one there. And at the end of the stream, I'm going to run the raffle. And the winner will be announced. So if you're not there at the end of the stream and you're announced as the winner, I'm simply going to say how to contact me. And if you don't reach out to me because you weren't in the stream, then you don't win. But that's how we're going to do it. And we're going to probably be doing this a little bit more often here in the coming days. All right. So in order to get your name in the raffle, you must chat in the chat section. Joey says 15 people watching. Hit that like button. Yeah, we only got 8 likes. Like button hit by Marshall. Nice. I see you, Marshall. So we'll add you to the raffle. Yeah, you also got to hit the like button. That's right, Joey. You got to comment and hit the like button. All right. So, guys, any tickers you want me to look at for you real quick before we start to jump into scans and stuff like that? If you guys want me to look at any tickers, any charts for you, now's the time. All right, so Young, good morning. Joe, yep, you're in. Nile, N-I-L-E. This thing's just on a downtrend. New lows been set in place here. New all-time lows. You might want to watch that level, see if it holds. Otherwise, you know, if you break over 43, you might have a shot here at 46, give or take. Robert, not sure if you mean good morning or GM, so I'm going to do both and add you to the raffle. So GM has some possible good support here, about $39, $90, $40. But you have that 50-day moving average right there at 42. So I'd be a little bit of a tight range. And you can see here that 50-day has been an area of resistance. Oh, you meant good morning? Well, good morning and GM analysis. Starbucks, I would say watch that $79 zone. It does have room to that 50-day, about $84. Robert C. Unfortunately, today I will not be able to trade with you guys. I would have to go into work early. I'm on my way there now. Hope all is well, Green Day. Oh, Robert, man, hope you have a good one as well, brother. Hope to see you soon, tomorrow maybe. Hope you nailed some of those plays with us yesterday. I know you got the AMD one yesterday, I think, in the morning. Not sure if you got those SPY ones in the afternoon. Those are sweet, sweet, sweet. RDBX. So RDBX, we have that 200-day moving average resistance zone there. That one's still holding up fairly well. $6 would be the level I would watch for support. Yeah, Joe, gotta get that. I gotta get that. She's been using a little bit of the caramel recently, like that caramel you use on the ice cream. But I want to get her the quick. I want to get her the chocolate one, like when I was a kid. Mara's gonna move with Bitcoin, guys. So Mara's gonna move with Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up, Mara should go up. This $20, 1950 to $20 area could be a level of resistance. You can see it here in the chart. We've drawn this a long time ago. It was a major level of support for quite a while. Oxy, you know, it's going to matter. It's going to matter whether or not crude does well. But Oxy's up here. Boom, resistance. Boom, resistance, resistance, resistance. Shied away from it big time when the markets pulled back hard. Came back into it right now. Looks like it might want to tear through that level. If it does, you're going to want to watch that level to then become a zone of support. Robert C. yesterday. Yeah, the SPY was a recovery for me. Red to green day yesterday. Nice, man. I'm glad the SPY calls in the afternoon helped get you out of the red. Good job. TANH. This one looks like it's based out a little bit finally. Maybe it's found some sort of bottom support. 50-cent area, 49 is going to be tough. It's got to get through that. If it can get through that, you have room here towards about 62. 60 to 62. This thing trades no volume. This HDUP. It's up here at these highs. If it can get through that level, I mean, blue skies, as they say. If not, I'd watch for some support, maybe around 14.43. Yeah, they do have strawberry mix too, Young. They do. Tasty, tasty. And let me make sure I got everybody's names in for the raffle. All right, so far, yes. All right, so any other tickers you want me to take a look at for you? Guys, remember, if you're just tuning in, everybody who comments in the chat section will be entered into a raffle that I will run at the end of the stream. And you'll have to be present to win. I will announce the name. You'll have to contact me. If you don't contact me, then nobody collects the prize. We'll run another raffle again when we live stream on Monday. All right, guys. Any other tickers you want me to look at? Otherwise, I'll start jumping through the scans, going through today's plans, and formulating the watch list for today. Wayfair. Wow, Wayfair super weak, huh? A lot of stuff recovered yesterday, but Wayfair nowhere near the $100 resistance zone and going lower now. And 75 is the level to watch on Wayfair right now. It's been in the past previous level of support. It's been support now. I mean, that's your channel here, 75 to 100. That would be the channel there for you to watch. Guys, we got 16 people in the live stream. We got 13 likes. Let's see if we can get those likes up there closer to 16 as we continue to go through the morning here. There you go, 14, 15 likes. There we go. Thanks, guys. Let's get those popping. Let me let everybody know over on Discord that we're live on here as well. All right, mRNA, X. X right here, nice bounce off of this 28, mid 28s. All right, that's a level of previous resistance. Nice bounce off of that. I mean, I would look possible for continuation here back towards 30, 33. If this level continues to hold with a stop underneath that is how I would play that if I were in it. mRNA, let's take a look at that one for you. mRNA, tough resistance here. Yesterday, you know, nice comeback along with a few of the names that bounced, of course. But tough resistance here, that 50-day moving average, and it's a little bit of a daily level. I'd be mindful of that level there. So keep an eye on that. Dwayne, let me add you to the raffle. Dwayne. So Disney, nice recovery on Disney. Nice recovery there from Disney. This level right here was previously support. And now it's holding up resistance. If we get up over that level, you got room to over 120. If you don't, then, I mean, it could stuff it and you got room back down to the 111s. The King. Joey, yep, we'll definitely do NVIDIA. SPY, oh SPY, yep. We nailed those SPY calls in chat yesterday in the afternoon. Just like I said we would yesterday. Just like I said. You know, it's funny. Look. Whoa, what happened here? All sorts of madness. All right. So yesterday, AMD, we talked about 100 area being resistance, 91 being support. We nailed puts in the morning off that trade idea in the chat live. Then we talked about the SPY 2 p.m. conference from, you know, press conference from Jerome Powell after the Fed meeting. 50 basis points and balance runoff to start. Could have room towards 423 to 426. Well, I took profits off. My last take profit came off at when the SPY tapped 429.66 and started to retreat a little bit. Said 430 is the top target for me. So I was out of my calls. It was just a banger day. Banger day. All right. So adding the names there to the wheel of names for our raffle in a little while. Let's go ahead and start working on that watch list. All right, so NVIDIA was Joey asking me about that one. So NVIDIA now I'd watch and see if maybe it can hold that $200 range for a move back towards 211-ish. That's what I'll watch on NVIDIA. So NVIDIA watching the $200 area could have support. If it could hold support, could have room towards 211 zone. That's what I'll be watching there on NVIDIA. Guys, we will be announcing the winner of the raffle around 8:55 a.m. Just a heads up. So you'll want to be, you'll want to be in the stream around that time. So if your name is called, you can win. So NVIDIA, that's what I'll be watching. Tesla. Tesla's a little bit more difficult because of all these moving averages. But if it pops its head up above that 100-day moving average, sorry, wife's going out with the baby. Okay, so if it pops its head up above that 100-day moving average and it can hold that level, gotta watch for a move to 1,000. So Tesla, watching the 100-day MA, if it can break above and hold, has room towards 1,000 zone. That's insane move there. Guys, give me 1 second here. I'll be right back. Just got to get the door. Whoops. Thank you, Joy. Sorry, guys. Stuff that happens when you're live. Had to run real quick, but back now. Okay, so the healthiest thing here would be a red inside small day on the SPY. That would be the healthiest thing. And I don't think the SPY is going back to 460 or anything crazy, much less all-time highs and all that nonsense in a few weeks. Depending on inflation data later this month, I think the SPY can get down here. Been saying it since the start of, I've been saying it since December, I think. And I've been saying it every time we've rallied up here. I've stuck to this. So I think the SPY can get down here still, depending on the inflation data when it comes out later this month, which is sometime next week. On the 11th, we have CPI data. So if inflation comes in rampantly hot, things do not look like they're slowing down, I think we go lower. If they look like they're slowing down, I think we trade sideways. All right. With that out of the way, the SPY healthier would be a potential inside day, something like this, and then tomorrow we do that. That would be the healthiest thing. But the market's insane, so you never know what's going to happen. So I'll plan for both types of scenarios, right? If we can break up and over 430, which is a major zone of potential resistance, which is the reason why that level was my final target yesterday and why I took it off, you know, my calls, that's why I took them off. And when we tapped 429.66 and started to retrace a little bit, that's it. That was my final target, because that is a level of resistance. See these lows? See these lows? If we can break up and over that level, I would watch in that case for a move up to 435, 436. All right. So SPY watching to see if 430 breaks and becomes support, could have room towards 436. Mid 435s. We'll call it that because that's really what it is. Otherwise, watching for some consolidation to take place. All right, so we got Nvidia, Tesla, and SPY on the watch list. Mo Ward. Mo, I'm entering you into the raffle. Good morning. Oh, it's on now. Thank you, though. Appreciate it. And see, you commented in the comment section. That enters you into the raffle. Remember, guys, so far, here are all the names in the raffle. And in about 5 minutes, we will be running this raffle. All right, so on HD Home Depot, you have this 318 zone that's definitely strong resistance. If we can get up and over that level, you got room. You got a lot of room. You can go as high as 330s. But you got to get up over that level. Otherwise, 299 has been a decent level of support. Timberwolf. Good morning. Adding you to the raffle. Julio H. Adding you to the raffle. Good morning. All right. So Nvidia, Tesla, SPY so far are the ones we have on watch here. Let's go take a look at AMD. Can't mail that, the king. Can't mail that. We're going to be doing raffles, guys. We're going to be doing them more often just like this. Okay. We're going to be doing them more often just like this in the streams randomly. Just one day I'm going to wake up and be like, hey, we're going to do raffle. We're going to do them multiple times a week. And they're going to range in prices from 30-day dashboard access to our, daytraderchatroom.com, or free merchandise that we'll send you in the mail, or gift cards. All right. So we're gonna do stuff like that. We'll maybe give away some scanners for a month, stuff like that. All right. We're gonna be doing all sorts of stuff. Andre Silva, adding you to the raffle. Let's do it. AMD, guys. AMD yesterday, remember we played this. Right off that 99 to the 91s, we played those put options in chat. I got flat in the 93-ish area. And right now today, where are we? Right back in front of that $99 $100 level, which has been proving to be a very, very tough level of resistance. Young Love, good morning. Oxy, we did that one already, but I'll go over it again in a minute for you. On AMD, watching the $100 level. If resistance persists, watching for more downside, fade. If it can break up and over, it could have room towards 105. So here, I'd watch for the downside. If not, if we can break up and over, I'd watch for a move up here to 105, the 50-day moving average level. Ricardo Guerra, I added you to it as well. Good morning. D-Dog is just in a really tough trading area. Very choppy there. Not something I would look at to trade. Okay, so we have NVIDIA, Tesla, SPY, AMD. Let's take a quick look at the scans here. HYMC in the scans today. So HYMC, so it provided its earnings financial results yesterday. Boom. Maybe if it holds those 166s, it's got some potential. A 160 area. It's got room to like 240. You could throw it on the list. So, but small caps haven't been trading all that great lately. HYMC watching the 160 zone for support. Could have room towards 240s. Brent says raffle. That gets him into the raffle. All right, guys. So HYMC we got there. ICPT. Man, this stock has been beaten up. Beaten up. Clear cut past resistance in this $18 range. We're up and over it. We're up and over it. If it can hold that level, it's got potential. Light volume in pre-market though. Let's take a look at PayPal. Oh wow, PayPal's still struggling here in this level of 95-ish, mid 94s. Still struggling there. Yeah, if PayPal can't break up above that, you could see a drop back down here to like 87. So PayPal, if 95 area holds resistance, could see a fade back down towards 87 zone. If the 95 breaks and becomes support, could have room towards 100. All right, guys. So we got NVIDIA, Tesla, SPY, AMD, HYMC, and PayPal on here. Yannick, good morning. Good morning. Got to add you to the raffle. Yannick. And Tim Doe, good morning. All right, guys. It is time to run the raffle. Oh, wait. Let's look at shop real quick. Oof. Shop got chopped in half. Man, what a wreck. Let's clean up this chart. You got that clear level of support in the 411 zone. But if that level were to crack, you got to make this chart bigger to really get in here. If that level were to crack, you have room to fall down to about, wow, 370s. You do have room to fall on that one. So shop, we can add it to the list. Bad earnings. Watching 411. If it cracks and becomes resistance, could have room towards 370s. Thank you, Yannick, for bringing that one to my attention there. Yannick, were you in chat yesterday when we nailed the SPY calls in the afternoon? Julio, nice, man. You brought it up too. Good job. Good eye. Jerry. Jerry says Facebook. Good morning. Above 225, 226 area. Yeah, you do have some room there for sure. So Jerry G in the raffle. Let's get to work here. Let's run this raffle, guys. Oh, okay. So you got the green in the morning with the AMD puts, and then went home. Good man. Yeah, we nailed the SPY calls in the afternoon, man. Oh, what an awesome trade. All right. So guys, these are the names. Like I said, people who participate in chat will be entered into raffles here throughout the week when we do them. And today we're going to see who wins a 30-day access pass to the daytraderchatroom.com dashboard with its tools and also a little bit of some chat action as well for some time to be determined there. So let's see. Looks like Marshall. Yep, Marshall. Marshall, you won. You won. So make sure to send me over a message on the Discord. I'm going to put the Discord link. All right. Let's put the Discord link here. Marshall Chaffee, you won. So congrats. Here's the free Discord link. Click that, contact me, and I'll get you squared away. Congratulations. All right, guys. So it's time for me to get on over to the Discord and get live over there. We are running some specials for Cinco de Mayo on Discord. Okay, here you go. I'll give you the link. You'll get DTC Pro and DTC Lite both on special. Also, I forgot to mention, that's a fail on my part. Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas has 25% off. They do this a handful of times a year. I think this is only the second time they've done it this year. Yeah, this is only the second time they've done 25. They'll do 15s, they'll do 20s, but 25 they don't do often. So if you're looking to mess around with Trade Ideas, great time. Grab that discount. There's the link in chat for you, okay? I'm going to get on over to the Discord, guys, and get live with everybody over there. Go over the watch list, go over today's plans, see if we can kill it again today. All right, so I hope to see you guys over there. If not, have yourself a great morning, and I'll catch you all on Monday. Remember, I don't stream on Fridays for the most part, so I'll catch you all guys on Monday, and we'll probably do another raffle on Monday. So make sure you tune in. Have yourself a great day and an excellent trading morning.